Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. As promised, today I'm gonna show you a classic black smoky eye tutorial for beginners. So I'm gonna show you the most easiest way to create the smoky eye. So the first thing I'm gonna do is prime my eyelids, and what this does, it removes the redness from the eyelid. It will leave me with a really nice blank space so that we can create an eyeshadow. You don't want to see any redness, veins. You want a clear base for your eyeshadow, and it's also gonna make sure that your eyeshadow is gonna stay flawless all day. So that's a good beginning. Then I'm gonna use the Essential palette, and this one is by Sigma Beauty in collaboration with Stephanie. I will make sure to put the name of the palette in the description bar. Now I'm going to start with this light color, which is a matte white color, and the reason why I'm using this for underneath the brow bone is because this is gonna create kind of like a transition from dark to light towards the eyebrow. At this moment it might look like, why are you doing this? But I will get back to you guys about this later in the video so you guys can see what it does. So now I'm going in with a gel eyeliner, and I'm using a tiny synthetic brush from Sigma Beauty, which is included in the brush kit that I created together with them. I will link it down in the description bar in case you want to check it out. But it's kind of like a tiny blending brush, and I'm just gonna press the eyeliner on top of the eyelid. The reason why I'm using a eyeliner is because it's gonna leave kind of like a base for our smoky eye. By using gel eyeliner underneath your black eyeshadow, it's gonna make the eyeshadow look even more black. It's gonna be really hard to get the same effect using only black eyeshadow. Of course you can do that, but it will not get as black as the end result that we're gonna create today. And I think it's also not gonna be as long wearing, because the cream products you're using underneath your eyeshadow are kind of going to intensify, but also the eyeshadow is gonna lock into the cream product, which is gonna make it really long wearing. It's kind of hard to explain, but it's just gonna intensify the long wearing and the color as well. So once you apply it, you kind of want to make sure that you kind of blend around the edges. Right now you can clearly see where the edges are, so I'm kind of just continue to do what I'm doing, kind of sweeping with a brush. I switched to a clean brush, which is the Sigma E25 brush, and kind of making circular motions around the edges until I'm satisfied with how everything is looking. I just continue to blend. You can always go back in with more gel eyeliner if you want to, but I'm going in with the black eyeshadow from the Sigma palette, and I'm going to use the same brush which I used, which is the Sigma E25, and kind of packing this on the eyelid. Now I want the focus to be like on the center of the eyelid. Well, not really the center, but like the whole eyeball eyelid. I don't know how you explain that. And then around the edges, again, I'm going to blend. And you can go back in with more eyeshadow. If you want it to be even more black, you can go as dark as you want. Then now for the next step, I'm going in with this eyeliner from Barry M Cosmetics, and I'm going to use this for in the waterline. And I mean, we're doing a smoky eye, so I definitely want to use some black for in the waterline. I want this look to be as black and smoky as possible. Then I'm going back in with the color Rocker, and I'm going to use this for underneath the lower lash line as well. And I'm just going to sweep my brush back and forth. And if you want, you can also use a little bit of gel eyeliner underneath the lower lash line to make it super black as well. I don't think I've done that, even though it kind of looked like I did, but I didn't include it in the video, so I don't think I did so. But you can definitely, or you can go in with the pencil you use in the waterline, drag it a bit lower, and then use black eyeshadow. You can do that as well. So now I'm gonna go in with some eyeliner, and you might be thinking, why are you doing this? Because you can not even see it, but it will still make a difference. Because I'm going in with fake lashes, but I will get back to you guys later about that as well. So now I'm going in with some mascara, and remember I used that light shade underneath the brow at the beginning. Now you can see why I did that, because you can still see like that lightness underneath the brow, which creates a really nice transition. So that's the reason I used the light. So now for my lashes, I'm going to use lashes from my own lash company, and these are the Anytude Sultry lashes. The reason why I used a little line of eyeliner above the lash line is because I kind of wanted the lash band to disappear in the line of gel eyeliner or liquid liner. I use liquid liner. So it might look like it doesn't really make a difference, but I personally think it does. So yeah, I hope this video was helpful. If you have any more questions, definitely let me know in the comments. I have a few more videos where I show smoky eyes. I will make sure to link them in the description bar. I think I actually created a playlist with all my smoky videos, so I will make sure to link it in the description bar. Now, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. This is really helpful for my channel, and hopefully I will see you all in the next video. Bye guys!